are here. Welcome to Bakubung, People of the Hippo. Yeah, let's go see her. Walk around the property waiting for our room to be ready. Hi mom. She's gonna ghost me. Hi guys, so we have checked into our room. I don't know if you can see me clearly. We're gonna rest for a little bit, have some Coronas, and then go for our game drive. I'll give you a room tour a little bit later, probably in the morning. Going for a game drive. I can't wait to show you guys around. So we are ready for our evening game drive. Cover the passport to experience. Yes. Oh, it is. Oh my god, I thought it was a rock. We've arrived. We opted for a dinner by the Boma Bush Braai situation. So we've arrived safely. I nearly lost it because I needed to pee. But yeah, I'll show you around. So we're all packed up and unfortunately have to go. I think I'm gonna go grab another snap. Just a quick one for the gram. Yo, my makeup is not makeuping. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye. It has been a fantastic short stay here at Vakabung Lodge. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will definitely come back with a vlog at some point. I won't lie and say soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, please share, do all the right things, and goodbye, Dizala.